Well, it's moving day. We finally narrowed it down to 2 places. All of the places we checked out had 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. With Cambodia's heat, which is at a record-breaking hot, we definitely needed a pool. Which place will we choose? Join us as our epic house finding edition continues.
We're gonna take you along for the whole ride, from lunchtime decision making to moving ourselves and all our luggage into our new home.
We are GoingGoing.BackBack. Currently in Cambodia. After checking out the rental market in Siem Reap, we narrowed it down to 2 places. And after being in Cambodia for less than 24 hours, we are ready to make a decision.
We left you guys with a cliffhanger, but in this video, we're gonna reveal which apartment we chose and why, and everything that went into getting ourselves over there. We've never had a moving day quite like this before.
I feel like we need to do like a house hunters pros and cons list, check marks, what it's got, what it doesn't have. So our needs were 2 bedrooms. Both apartments have 2 bedrooms. Our wants were 2 bathrooms. Both apartments have 2 bathrooms. We needed a pool because apparently it's going to be wildly hot. Both apartments have pools. TVs, washing machine.
They have 1 extra bathroom.
Yeah, I think both of them meet all the requirements, and they're going to give us a bit of a deal on so I think that's the one we're going to go with. Looking pretty good.
And hot water.
And hot water, definitely need hot water. And AC.
Oh yeah, definitely.
It's ding, 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 ding. Oh wait, I did this wrong. Alright, but which one will we choose? One is less expensive, so it's better for our budget, but the other one is newer. So it's probably gonna be nicer to live in. I just don't know which one I'm gonna choose.
Stop saying it like that.
That's how they do it on House Hunters.
We've decided to make our final decision over lunch.
I am.
All right, what are we doing, guys?
We're going back to Peace Cafe.
Yeah, we're going back to Peace Cafe. Oh, okay.
So there's a Bayon City Market. There's a place called Danville, I think. There's a place called CP. And then some other thing I saw, some like local thing that looked like 7-Eleven and a 7-Eleven.
CP is part of 7-Eleven, and so is Meat Zero.
I don't know this.
No, we didn't.
We did. Banana's inside.
Banana.
Okay, fine. I'll share some with you. All of you. Even your fans.
You said you're gonna share it with us all?
Mm-hmm.
Even the fans?
And you. And you.
Superstar.
I know you're watching. Then you gotta go and give it to the phone.
What'd you get, Teach? Spring roll.
For lunch I'm having a soda wood. You're gonna eat that, okay? Eat that. For lunch I'm having the best thing on the menu. Cold towel.
Well, they do smell pretty good.
All right, ready?
Pan crepe. Pan crepe.
Pan crepe.
It's a cool word. Hand crepe.
Let me try. That face means that it's the best thing you've ever tasted.
Pretty good?
You said good. It's supposed to be great.
What you got, Ross?
I got a burger just like that. You can only have one. They're delicious.
Oh, sweet. No, cauliflower. I'm excited about this. Alright, let's do it. Here we go. It's sweet, it's sour, it's hot, it's delicious.
After our brief lunch discussion, we decided to finally go with apartment number 1.
I know a lot of you thought we were going to go with apartment number 5, which was also a fantastic choice. But we ended up getting a great deal on apartment number 1, and we really love its modern aesthetic and the gorgeous pool.
So we decided to go ahead and move in right away. The place was really cool, and this place is really cool. So if you're ever in Cambodia, definitely check out the Chilled Backpackers. And so I'm here right now with my man. It's the broker, baby. We did it. So we're going to the new place now. Cambodia! All right, so this is all our luggage right here. So they gave us what we call the ridiculous ass truck. Big ass truck. You can get in here. We can get in here. He said, I used to love jumping in the back of my grandfather's truck with my dog and my dad's truck. So this is just like second nature to me. This is the local way to get your stuff around. Not the most fancy. To get a workout in Cambodia, just grab anything heavy and walk.
Cambodian heat, Cambodian truck. See, it doesn't look like so much when you put it in a truck. It doesn't look like we have so much stuff now that it's in a big truck. Now I feel like I don't have much. I don't have so much stuff. How much for this one?
30, but I did.
Bye.
Alright, we're on our way. Moving in day. This was fast. We arrived not even 24 hours ago. We're about to move into our apartment. We're following all our luggage in our truck. Coming in the tuk-tuk.
Family.
Is it gold?
What's that? Yeah.
Alright, moving day.
So this is all our little secret stuff. Right here. All this little hair
Is that neighborhood? We're not on the coast, babe.
Oh, weren't we gonna go spend 2 months on the coast or something?
I sell stickers. Sticker shop. Make some stickers for cars, but if they can make cars, it's a machine to machine.
Clothes.
Ooh, jacket. This one backwards, so it's weird. Yeah, these guys were working this morning. I waited to him this morning. I was like on camera talking to him. Camera.
Oh, we're here. That's legitimately our corner store.
Yeah.
Okay, and it's like on the corner of our building.
Like everything changes now. It's like, watch. Except we roll up with this truck. So I'm gonna raise him. See those red things where they're up there? To show that if he scratches the ceiling. So he knows if that touches, stop. Very quickly. If you don't, you get. He said drive in there. Yeah? We just come in. Okay.
Oh. 8,000, you got it?
All right, so for that big truck, it was actually, I don't think it was cheap. It was 80,000 Rio. I think that's about 20 US bucks. Let me know in the comments if a van is actually cheaper than that. I don't know. But we did say we had a lot of stuff, so they might have prepared for like a lot of stuff. And then we came and we did have a lot of things, but not enough to fill our truck.
First time we paid for anything in US dollars in a long time. $100 bills.
It's official.
I don't stand my thumb.
Okay, thank you very much. The managers even went ahead and bought us a few pots and pans and essentials.
Popcorn. We don't even have a microwave. And I brought this from Bangkok.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us for more amazing adventures from around the world. GoingGoing.BackBack.
The tape is still on the refrigerator.
We need to go shopping.